If you're a chocolate lover like me, you've probably experienced the sad occasion of your chocolate melting. Maybe you think there's no more hope if your chocolate looks like this or like this. An interesting scientific fact about chocolate is it's polymorphous. Cacao butter can crystallize in 6 different formats, but only one of them makes the bar look like this and sound like that when it breaks. If your chocolate melts and you don't have a professional chocolatier to make it like this again for you, let me show you a couple things you could do. Time to give these chocolates a new life. Remelt your melted chocolate. Use a double boiler, and if you don't have a double boiler, you could easily just create one by putting a smaller pan inside of a bigger pan. You just want to make sure that when the water gets hot and boils, that none of the water jumps up into the other pan, because water and chocolate do not mix. Take one of your favorite fruits, like a strawberry, dip it in the melted chocolate, and then you can place it in the fridge to harden, or my personal preference is just to eat it as is. My other favorite thing to do with melted chocolate is to pour it over vegan ice cream. It makes a lovely hard shell, and the ice cream is so much more fun.